Start question number 4. Sri Vijai Sardesai. 3.
Speaker sir, star liquid 3A.
Answer as cyclostal.
Speaker sir, ये काणी बायोमिथेनेशन प्लांटाची SPDA मार्केटाची आमचो बाप दाजी साळकार चेअरमॅन आहा थंय. हे बायोमिथेनेशन प्लांट वॉज कमिशन्ड एट अ टोटल कॉस्ट ऑफ 2.41 crore. थंय प्रॉमिस केल्लें की कुक्ड अनकुक्ड आनी नुस्तें वूड बी एक्सेप्टेड बाय दीस प्लांट. म्हळ्यार वेट वेस्ट वूड बी एक्सेप्टेड, power would be produced and power would be supplied to the grid. Speaker sir, after commissioning, it was found that this plant wouldn't accept fish. जे SPDA fish market लागी plant हा digest करपाक हे wet waste ते fishूच accept करू शकना. हे पहिले shock. आता फुडें. Speaker sir, plant जेन्ना functional जालें तेन्ना अशें दिसलें की घाण मारता सारकी. घाण अशी कित्याक लिचड जी आहा, स्लरी जी आहा ती डायरेक्ट शेतान ते डिस्पोज करपाक लागले. शेतान डिस्पोज करपाक लागले ही आमचें एलिगेशन आशिल्लें. मंत्री जेन्ना मंत्री जालो, आलेश जेन्ना मंत्री जालो तेन्ना हांवें ताका एक दीस फोन केलो आनी येवन म्हणलें इन्स्पेक्ट कर. कित्याक SPDA मार्केट म्हणटा तें म्हज्या मतदारसंघान आसत पूण सगळें साश्टीक लागता. सो तो 24 नोव्हेंबराक आयलो and he was kind enough and I want to thank him for that. आनी ताणें ताजे दोळ्यान पळयलें की थंय कांय हें ना. There is no way that leachate is being absorbed and taken everywhere. It is directly discharged into the fields. At that time it was not even working. The plant also was not working. मागीर ताणें विचारलें की consent to operate आसा काय म्हणून पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डाचें. ताजे कडेन consent to operate नाशिल्लें. सो आतां अशें जालां की हे 2 वर्सां हे प्लांट ऑपरेशनल आहा. नोव्हेंबर ऑफ 21 टू नोव्हेंबर ऑफ 22 टू नोव्हेंबर ऑफ 23. 2 वर्सां आनी एक 2-3 म्हयने. हे 2 वर्सांत फक्त 3 दिसांक तांणी ती स्लरी काडून टँकरांनी व्हेल्या. 3च दीस एज पर द आन्सर. ओन्ली 3 days आफ्टर 2 years. सो दीस इज नॉट अ बायोमिथेनेशन प्लांट. इट इज अ बायोहॅझर्ड प्लांट. हे आतां म्हजें क्लासिफिकेशन ताका. सो स्पीकर सर, म्हजी आतां पयली सप्लिमेंटरी. NGTन अशें म्हणलां की पोल्युटर पेज हो प्रिंसिपल. NGTचो प्रिंसिपल विच इज अपहेल्ड ऑल ओवर द कंट्री. NGTचो प्रिंसिपल तूं इनवोक करून हे एजन्सीचेर एक्शन घेतलो फॉर डंपिंग फॉर 2 years untreated slurry into the fields, polluting the groundwater and killing the business of all those SPDA people in the complex. तांचो सगळ्यांचो बिझनेस काबार जालो. रेस्टॉरंटां बंद पडलीं, सगळें जालें. विल यू मेक दॅट एजन्सी पे? दिस इज माय फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
As of date, we are not sure to what extent the slurry has polluted the fields. So we have approached the Agriculture Department and asked the Agriculture Department along with the Pollution Control Board to analyze the
Soil testing.
To do soil testing. And once that is confirmed, we will ensure that we take the launch on the next step.
Other Speaker sir, this story goes to the next chapter. Next chapter kine Work Division 21, Executive Engineer Work Division 21 wrote a letter on 7/9/2023 to the municipality that the parameters of effluent generated from the facility are very high compared to raw sewage. Hence, it was decided with the consent of the then PWD Minister, Bab Nilesh Kabral, to reject the request for disposal of effluent to public sewer network. A letter is on record. Here story jali. This is the opening. Ata Nilesh Kabral is out of the ministry on 19/11/2023. Galo boy bahir. Rao ranga. Anyway, 19/11/2023 to भायर गेलो काय जालो आउट ऑफ द मिनिस्ट्री. ताजे मागीर 29/1/2024 सेम PWD एक्झिक्युटिव्ह इंजिनियराचें लेटर येता म्युनिसिपालिटीक की मीटिंग वॉज हेल्ड ऑन 19/1/2024 chaired by the Honorable MLA of Margaon, after which permission has been granted to the discharge the same effluents, which was said that PWD was saying, आम्ही घेना म्हणून. The same आता change झाले. आणि it will be accepted at a pumping station in Naveli. That same slurry, it is not improved. On that same day, 29/1/2024, consent to operate is also given. So सगळे रोड ओपन झाले. आता हांव नकळो PWD मंत्री विकास पुरुष काय मुखेलमंत्री तो. कित्याक हें सगळें जाता ताचेर कळटा की meeting has been chaired by not by the PWD minister but by an MLA. Now my question is, after this change of heart, your heart has changed. Will government allow 2 more such plants, dysfunctional plants, which were originally planned? ती आनी 2 तुम्ही हाडून आमच्या खड्ड्यार मारतले काय म्हणून आनी आमची उरिल्ली शेतांय काबार करतले. हाजेर तूं म्हाका कॅटेगोरिकल स्टेटमेंट दी.
Speaker sir, I am not aware about the meeting that was chaired by the Margao MLA.
It is there, it's in the minutes.
But I am not aware about that.
Yeah.
However, as per the directions of the High Court, order dated 24th January.
No, that I know. I just give me a pointed answer on the 2 plants.
I'm coming.
No, on that High Court, I'm coming to the next thing. That is my part 3.
As far as the new plants, the 2 plants, proposed plants that you say are there, we have not received anything, so we don't know what type of plants. We don't know what are the, basically, it's once we receive the proposal, we will study the case.
No, the original proposal was for 3 plants. One at the wholesale fish market, one at the retail fish market, and one I think at the Gandhi market. Now here at the retail fish market, they are saying we can't accept fish. In wholesale fish market, the waste will be fish.
We'll look into it.
So there's no question.
We'll look into it. And
look into it. Maka assurance dikhi your heart will change. Because when you had come, you found that the plant was dysfunctional, that it should have been demolished. After that, you suddenly gave all permissions.
Incidentally.
You gave means the government gave.
Understood. Incidentally, even when permission was granted, there is a condition that within 6 months, this plant should be shifted to Sonslo. Because we recognize the fact, that this location was not suitable for this plant.
Now, Speaker sir, at the last supplementary chair आता municipality in High Court सांगले की सगळो wet waste आम्ही आता काकोड्या धाडटा. हे verbally सांगले. When all the wet waste is going to Kakoda, why do you need a biomethanation plant?
The plant is
no,
not
1 minute.
functioning.
At which I am aware that the Honorable Judge of the High Court verbally told the municipality that the plant should be kept in readiness as a backup. Keep it in operational mode, but don't operate. This is what the High Court has said. Exact, yes. These are the words.
Yes.
So, Speaker sir, एक plant ready करून दवरप, पण ते काम करप ना, but municipality has to pay that fellow. Now the issue becomes of arbitration, because he had come with a big plan. He has invested, and it's a financial transaction. Fomento already gone into arbitration on the same garbage. Ata, what is the guarantee that we are not looking at the fears of an arbitration happening, which is going to further take our lost company municipality further down the drain? I'm requesting you to examine this, because this is serious. And जातले कितें आणू एक प्लांट हाडला जे प्लांट गोंयांत चलना नुस्त्यांत तर भितर घेवंक शकना जाल्यार कितें शाकाहारी प्लांट तें इट्स नॉट अ वेजिटेरियन प्लांट न्हू द फीश इज नॉन वेज ते प्लांट थंय चलना ते प्लांट हाडून कोण तरी कितें केलां कळ्ळें तुका न्ही हें रे चुवा खाया बिल्लींनी आनी अशें खावन आतां तुमी आमकां सांगतात मिटींग घेतात सडनली काबराल म्हणटालो घेना एक राती गव्हर्मेंट चेंज जाता सगळे गव्हर्मेंटाचे हार्टवे आनी रेड कार्पेट घालता आनी सगळे ताका परमिशन दिता आनी 2 कित्याक घेवची नाय हो म्हजो सादो प्रश्न आनी 2 येवन तुजेर प्रेशर घालून तुंय तें मागीर म्हाका आतां सांगलें म्हणटालो हें म्हाका तूं क्लियर कॅटेगोरिकल फर्स्ट दॅट द पोल्युटर पेज फॉर हीज पोल्युशन दॅट ही हॅज कॉज्ड ही हॅज टू बी टेकन टू टास्क. You take him to task in your this. Agriculture won't give you this thing. Agriculture may sleep with the soil test.
No. As far as imposing a fine or whatever on the municipal corporation or municipality, I think we can do that only once we get the report from the agriculture department to know to what extent the damage has
been
caused.
Give it time bound sang re. Time bound sang da 15 disanti.
Give us 2 months.
2 months. No problem. In that 2 months.
No, 1 minute. if I may tell the Honorable MLA of Kurtori, the plant is not running. The plant has been closed from the month of November.
Yeah.
It is not running from November. Okay, so
but if they want, they can put it on, because now they've got.
yeah, but that has been done as per the directions of the court. As far as your next issue of the next two plants are concerned, rest assured, I will ask the Pollution Control Board to study the.
No, not
plant.
to give till this testing is brought out.
Exactly. So we'll study and then we will.
Study nahi, hold, withhold till the next session. We will wait for 2 months, 4 months.
Let me
4
correct.
months on our
I will correct my statement, Speaker, sir. We will keep on hold till we are convinced that it is suitable.
Yeah, okay. Thank you.
Thank you, Speaker, sir.
तुम्ही सरळ काढा आणि सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंटकडे द्या.
स्पीकर सर
दिले पैसे दिता म्हणून
एक मिनिट विजय
तुम्ही जेवण
तुवें आता सारखे सांगले पैसे जे आहा पळय न्ही ते सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट
आम्ही केले आता म्युनिसिपालिटी तुझ्याकडे आहा, तुझी पार्टी आहा,
Speaker sir.
काय तो चेंज करून केल्या
तुझ्याकडे तो विषय ना, हांगा कचरो ट्रीट करपाचो आमकां.
म्युनिसिपालिटीची मीटिंग चेअर्ड बाय युअर MLA.
राव बाई.
आणि उरलं कितें हें पळय हांगा प्लेस करून टेबल दावत घे पळय आदेशाक दाखय रे ते.
स्पीकर सर
आणि कितें डायरेक्ट तुम्ही इंटरव्ह्यूर आणता.
विजय सरदेसाई.
स्पीकर सर एक मिनिट
स्पीकर सर
CM,
आता
CM,
काढले
CM.
एकच मिनिट आता काढलेले हे टायमिंग सोल्युशन असा इन लॉंग रन सोल्युशन. तुम्ही पैसे बी किती आहा पळय ते डेपॉझिट करा सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशनाकडे आणि वी आर रेडी टू टेक दॅट. आणि इन फ्युचर सुद्धा काल हांवें माझ्या बजेटानूय जे म्हटलां पळय न्ही, सगळ्यो पंचायत्यांनी ते कचरो काडटा ह्या गांवांतलो काडटा त्या गांवांत उडयता, त्या गांवांतलो काडटा ते इवन द हॉटेलांतले सगळे कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर हाडटात, ते कोण तरी कॉन्ट्रॅक्टर तो हाडटा रस्त्यार उडयता, कोणूच ट्रीट करिना. त्या बेस्ट वे सगळ्यांचो कमर्शियल जो कचरो कितें आहा पळय न्ही सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन काडटले आणि आमी रेडी आसात. आणि सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट वील टेक दॅट रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. नॉट अ पंचायत आणि म्युनिसिपालिटी घेता हांगातलो व्हरून थंय उडयता, ह्या गांवांतल्यान काडटा त्या गांवांत उडयता, इतकेंच चल्लेलें आहा. पोस्टल पंचायती त्योच करतात. ती हांगासर जर इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर जो तयार करपाक जाय पळय न्ही मडगांव सालसेती खातीर तो तयार करूंकच जाय.
एक मिनिट स्पीकर सर, मुख्यमंत्री उलयता ते सारकें आहा, आमी प्रोविजन करपा जाय कोणें करूं नये. हे प्लांट कोणाचे? हो म्हजो क्वेश्चन आहा पळय, ते प्लांट तुजे सॉलिड वेस्टाचे न्ही, हे
पयलें मडगांव म्युनिसिपालिटी
जी सुडा आनी मडगांव म्युनिसिपालिटी थंयच आहा तें कोफोजांव. तें सांगूंक सोदता हांव तुका. तूं म्हणटा ती प्रोविजन म्हळ्यार कितें एक कुसकें काडून शेतान घालता आनी 2 घाल, बरो आयलो तूं, ते आमी घेवचे ना आनी न्ही. दीस इज अ स्कॅम, क्लियर कट स्कॅम. नाल्यार निलेश काब्रानान कित्याक रिजेक्ट केले सांग ताका आतां उबो रावन सांग.
सर
Why did you reject that
इट
slurry?
इज अ टेम्पररी सोल्युशन.
अरे टेम्पररी ना, दिस इज अ हायकोर्ट मॅटर.
Voice
दिस इज
mode
नॉट
आहे,
टेम्पररी इन दिस.
स्पीकर सर नो प्रॉब्लेम
हांवें अश्युरन्स मंत्र्याकडे हांवें अश्युरन्स कितें मागिल्लें, एक प्लांट फेल जाला, आमकां खबर आहा तें प्लांट फेल जाला, तुमचें उत्तर दाखयता की प्लांट फेल जाला. आतां सडनली तुमी परमिशनां दितात आनी 2 दर आयलीं. फेल जाता ते प्लांट जाणत जावन की हे प्लांट चलूंक शकना, हे रॅकेट, हे खबर आसून जर आनी 2 प्लांट हाडटलो जाल्यार दॅट मिन्स देर इज समबडी सम वेस्टेड इंटरेस्ट इनवॉल्ड.
स्पीकर सर, हॅन्स फॉर सॉलिड वेस्ट मॅनेजमेंट कॉर्पोरेशन जे आपण त्याच्या परमिशनाच्या शिवाय असले प्लांट न्हू काय धाडप गरजेचे ना, न हाडप हे योग्य.
कवर.
सर